This is a unique experience. After doing a lot of research from Canon EOS R5 to Sony A7 R4, I'm excited for this. Hello friends and welcome to #Safarnama. This video is followed by our previously uploaded video which was on unboxing of Sony A7 R4. Introducing you guys a new variant of our lens which is FE 135mm f1.8. अभी f1.8 के आगे जो GM है, it refers to Sony's G Master series, which is one of the best series available in market today. FE 135mm 1.8 comes under the category of E-mount lenses. The weight of this particular lens is 950 grams. With an angle of view of 18 degrees, this lens has maximum aperture value of 22 and has minimum aperture value of 1.8, which is considered very much promising in terms of depth of field. Lower aperture value offers a shallower depth of field, resulting into such amazing shots. Well, probably the price of this lens is approximately 6,700 dirhams, जो कि आपको लेकर आता है 1,30,000 के आसपास. So 1,30,000 rupees का ये लेंस है और it is a very useful lens. Portrait या model photoshoot के लिए this is considered to be one of the best lenses other than 85mm, 50mm, 100mm and so on. So let's start with unboxing of our video. We have the same scissors which we had before. Scissors are very important for unboxing. More warranty tag is broken and here we open our FE 135 f1.8 lens. Impressive. It has a belt along with it. Well, this is actually back ka tag hai. So this is a very good lens actually. It came in a box packaging like this. Now see how soft and how properly it is kept. Introducing 135mm lens. So आज से जो भी portrait shoots होंगे वो इसी lens से होंगे definitely. Wow, see. ब्यूटीफुल जिपर पाउच. इसको आप ऐसे स्लाइड करें और यहाँ से आपकी लेंस जो है वो ओपन हो जाएगी. एंड हियर इट कम्स. माय गॉड, इट्स बल्की, इट्स वेरी वेरी हैवी. वेल, मॉडल फोटोशूट के लिए दिस इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी द बेस्ट. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई बिलीव it has weight. It seriously has weight. It reminds me of my initial days of dumbbells, like when I was in school. So that time, bringing in our camera for with the cushion. This is my cushion for the camera. You can put any cushion if you want. So let's change the lens. Let's see. First I'll just show you guys how it looks with the standard kit lens 24-105. This is how my camera will look like. And now changing it to the new 135mm. So the body is ready to take the mount of another lens. It's a pretty heavy one. So if you are shooting with 135, be extra careful. This is the cap of the lens. You can see this is how the lens is. This is the triggered mount which will mount here on the body. उसके अलावा it says FE 1.8 135 GM G Master lens. G Master has a special tag, red color का G यहाँ पर होता है, which looks beautiful. उसके अलावा we have here on the lens is autofocus, manual focus, which you can shift and you can choose which one you want to choose. So mounting our lens, white dot to the white dot, fixing it real slow in order to let the camera achieve the grip and click. Is what I was waiting for. My god, this is very bulky and very heavy. The model photo shoot is going to be difficult in this one. I have to hold it like this. I'll slowly remove the cap and here we go. We are ready for our model photo shoot with our G Master f1.8 135mm lens. इसके results और इसके जो photos हैं यानी कि जो pictures हैं that we will continue. So now is the time for this lens to be tested in the field. Let's start. I'm excited for that.